Hi, it's Ash from nettTracker. Now, I was asked a little while ago, can you use nettTracker to monitor stock? And really my first answer would be no. If you've got a lot of stock movements, buy and sell a lot of goods, then nettTracker is definitely not for you. There are a lot better apps for that purpose. However, if you buy and sell a few things, so for example maybe some second-hand cars, maybe some antiques, maybe you buy a property and you are adding cost to that and then you're going to resell it, there is a little hack you could use, in fact, if you wanted to use nettTracker, just to record those costs and put them into stock and then record those movements when you sell them. So here is a little hack of using nettTrackers in case you are interested. In Sage we need a couple of balance sheet accounts temporarily set up as a fixed asset category for stock, purchase of motor vehicles, and also valuation of stock. In addition, we need a direct expense for stock valuation adjustments. Those chart of account categories will be mapped to your asset group for second-hand car sales. That asset group will not depreciate. Edit the balance sheet categories so that they become current assets instead of fixed assets, and they will remain mapped back in nettTracker. When cars are purchased, or even the cost of respraying a car, add that cost to stock motor vehicles. Cars that have been purchased and parts that relate to the cars will be available to review in transactions that you can add to your stock register. Where you have recorded the purchase of a car and in addition the costs of repairing the car or respraying a car, for example, you can group those together using a kit function. The car and the repairs will reflect the true value of that stock item. When the car is sold, mark all the kit items as disposed, just reflecting the sale proceeds against the main car purchase. Using the settings cog, you can change the columns in view. So this report is now much easier for me to look at. I can see that we've had 3 cars, all of them have been sold. I can see when they were originally acquired, what the original cost was, the fact that we've now disposed of those cars, the date that they were disposed or sold, in fact, the sale proceeds and the gain and loss on each of those vehicles. The sale proceeds that we've recorded in nettTracker are 46,000 and the disposal costs of 28,250 should reflect the same values that are back in Sage. Sage reflects the value of car sales and they're there from recording the sales invoice. The stock valuation adjustments of 28,250 are created from the journals that were triggered by marking the cars as disposed back in nettTracker. The closing balance for stock motor vehicles is at 0 because all of the vehicles have been sold. So there you have it. You sort of can use nettTracker to handle stock movements, really low volume stock movements. So that's nettTracker hack number 1. Hope you found this short video of some interest and thank you for watching. Goodbye.